What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. It is a early spring morning. We're gonna go do some trail clearing with the bad boy and see what kind of abuse these Ballard gold blades can handle. Let's get to it. Alright guys, well, that is all the cutting we're going to get done for today. Obviously, the work I was doing today, clearing those trails, cutting that little stubbly brush, is nowhere near what this mower or these blades were designed to do, but it's all I have at the time. It's all I have right now. So, I'm going to do what I can with what I got. If Bad Boy wants to let me borrow a tractor for a bit and test it out and make some videos on that, I would not turn down the opportunity. So Bad Boy, if you're watching this, hit me up. Anyway, I'll only really do this whenever I know the blades are getting a little bit dull, when it's coming up on time to sharpen them. Last time I cut the grass, I noticed a good bit of tearing instead of cutting on some of the thicker stuff, so I know the blades are due for a sharpening. And early spring is a good time to get out here and clear these trails just before everything gets too grown up, too greened up, and too bushy to make it through with the mower. So went ahead and got it done this morning. If you want to see how these blades are holding up, definitely want to click that subscribe button. I'm going to be pulling them off here in the next video or two, getting them sharpened up and ready to cut some more grass. So like I said, click that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification button down there as well. That'll ensure that you get the notifications whenever I put out a new video. But anyway, yeah, Bad Boy Mower Maverick held up like a champ. It always does. It's built like a tank, and I'm really enjoying it. How many hours do I have on this thing? Let's see. Looks like I got about 120 hours on it, so it's holding up well. This is a 2019 model, and I've been happy with it ever since I bought it. No real issues, but go back and watch some of my other videos on this mower if you want to learn more about it. Anyway, hit that subscribe button like I said. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Tell me how dumb I am for using a mower for clearing trails. Tell me what kind of tractor you got. I'm in the market. Well, not really in the market, but I'm always looking at tractors. Like to learn about different ones, stuff like that. So if you have a tractor that you're using for your property management, tell me what you're using down in the comment section. It's cool to see what everybody's working with, stuff like that. So anyway guys, as always, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.